Hi, I'm Rochelle with Godiva's Secret Wigs. And while my daughter and partner Danielle is in California and I am in Utah, I am going to be working with my lovely assistant here. Maybe you've seen her in other videos. And she wants to show you how to wear a mask over a long wig. Remember, if you have a long wig, you're going to put the wig on first, just like it's your own hair, and then the mask goes over it, okay? So right now I'm going to show you how to make a very simple mask. I watched on YouTube, there are hundreds of videos. This is another one that I really liked, but I just wanted to show you the very easiest one, and we're going to make it right now. So all you need is a pipe cleaner and a dryer sheet. Hopefully it's already been used because the scent will go away and you can reuse these, or a coffee filter, and 2 stretchy rubber bands. So you don't want the real thick rubber bands. Let's stick with the nice thin ones. So all I'm going to do is choose one of these. I'm going to go with the coffee filter, and I'm going to flatten it down. Actually, I'll turn it over. Bring these pieces to the middle. Bring them in again. And on the top one, I'm going to actually make a piece that you can tighten over your nose. You do that with the pipe cleaner, and all you do is double one pipe cleaner and twist it. So I'm going to lift up this top flap and put it right over. I'm hiding the pipe cleaner right at the very top. This is so easy. You're going to love it. Then I take one elastic band and put it about a hand width apart from the end. Take another, pop it over here, and now I'm going to fold this piece. The neater you have this folded, you can tuck it inside so it won't bunch up right in the middle. And then I'm going to tuck this one. And I have holders for my ears. And now, how do you put a wig on or wear a wig with a mask and even glasses? Okay, so you can either put the mask on first or the wig on first. But I just want to show you how easy this is. It's going around my ear. Hello. And around my ear. And then I can actually bend right here because of the pipe cleaner. What a couple we made. And then the question was, how do you put glasses on? Well, you just put glasses on. You graze it inside the wig. Don't I look gorgeous? And that's it. Please check YouTube videos or learn more about how to make videos, how to make masks. And this is just more about how to wear a mask with a wig. So have a great day.